Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
To connect Zotero to Mendeley, export your library from one service and import it into the other. First, in Zotero, go to File, greater than Export Library, and choose the RIS format. Save the file to your device. Then, open Mendeley and go to File, greater than Import, greater than RIS.RIS, and select the file you exported from Zotero. This process transfers your bibliographic data from Zotero into Mendeley, allowing you to connect and synchronize your research across both platforms seamlessly.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.